Many people forget that their smartphone, computer, and other devices exist for their convenience and not the convenience of others who interrupt them throughout the day. This was a quote by the author Chris Bailey. Today I will discuss about a book summary. The book name is The Productivity Project. Author name Chris Bailey. In this book summary, you will find a philosophy, strategy and tactics which will help to enhance your productivity. Let's begin. Key learnings from this book are: number 1, productivity is all about time, energy and attention. Number 2, there is a rule of 3. Organize your life around this rule of 3. And number 3, you do not have to work 90 hours a week. A 40 hours work week is good enough. Let's start thinking of your productivity in terms of time, energy and attention. But for that, we first have to understand the philosophy of life according to scientific research. When we are young, then we have time and energy. When we are adult, then we have money and energy. But we don't have enough time for ourselves. And when we are old, then we have money and time, but we lack energy. But we need these 3 things to be successful. Chris's philosophy is pretty similar to that. According to him also, we need time, energy and attention to be fully productive. Energy comes from health. So we need to take utmost care of our health to be productive. If we are weak, then we will not be able to give our 100% towards your work. Then everything will be worthless. You have to learn the skill of time management. You have to learn to manage your priorities. To make energy and time management worthwhile, you have to be very, very attentive. Pay full attention towards your work. Do not engage yourself in any type of distractions. All other things will be meaningless then. So, in lesson number 1, we have learned that productivity comes out as a mixture of good health, proper time management and designing your environment in such a way that you are 100% attentive towards your work. In this lesson, you will learn how you can apply rule of 3 for time management. Chris found a way to organize his goals into more achievable milestones. This is called rule of 3. By applying rule of 3, you will be able to think in 3 time frames. Number 1, what 3 things I want to achieve today? Number 2, which 3 milestones I want to accomplish in this week? And number 3, which 3 tasks I want to do in this year? Align your daily goals to weekly goals to yearly goals. Now, answer your first questions on daily basis and make sure that this aligns with your weekly goals. In this way, you will be able to automatically achieve your weekly goals and thus your yearly goals. This is a proven productivity system, but you need to check one thing to make this system fully functional, that is your calendar. While planning your daily tasks, your weekly tasks and your yearly tasks, make sure that these tasks do not collide with your calendar's tasks that is already in it. Maybe this is a birthday appointment, any other appointments, any other celebrations, other necessary programs. There is a reason most business follow the 40-hour work week. Chris went on experimenting on working 20 hours per week to 90 hours per week, and he found that in both the cases he achieved almost the same. Then he picked the middle and started working on 40 to 60 hours per week. He found that after working 55 hours, his productivity is declining. He found a steep decline in his productivity, and after 60 hours of work, there is even more decline in his productivity. Although this rhythm can slightly vary from person to person, but the gist here is that neither extreme slacking nor a burnout work ethic can lead you more accomplishment at work. So relax. We can develop our own productivity system by experimenting on rules explained in this book. We can use this as a trial and error method. Hence, we will be able to develop our own productivity system. The biggest advantage of us is that we can easily replicate others. We need to put this to good use. I hope this book review will be helpful for you to enhance your productivity. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because you know that this will encourage me to make new videos. And please comment which portion of this video you liked the most. We'll come back with a new topic very soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself.